Planning a corridor mapping mission, log into the Surveyaan app to access the Surveyaan workspace. Once the application is launched, thoroughly inspect the condition of your drone, ensuring the following parameters are checked: signal strength, battery percentage, arm check, wind conditions, and so on. Ensure that all necessary precautions are taken before initiating the flight. To create a mission plan, tap on the plus icon located in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Upon tapping the plus icon, a Select Mission Type dialog box will appear, presenting three options: General Land Survey, Rooftop Scan, Corridor Mapping. Since this mission involves corridor mapping, select Corridor Mapping. You will then be directed to this screen where you will find lines on the left hand side of the screen, which can be adjusted by sliding up or down to modify the number of lines. Altitude on the right hand side allows you to set the altitude according to your requirements. During the mission, the drone will first move to the green pointer, then begin capturing images along the designated lines. Once the survey is complete, it will return to the home position upon reaching the red pointer. Once all necessary configurations are set, swipe right to initiate the flight. Thank you for watching.